Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change financial year on Xero. So first, you may want to head over to Xero and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, at the top corner of your screen, click on Accounting, then click on Accounting Settings. Next, under the Accounting section, click on Financial Settings. Here you can see the financial year end section where you can change your financial year. To get started, click on the change button or change link. Next is click on the drop down menu. Choose the year in which you want to change into or the date along with the month. Then once done, head over and click on save. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I will see you again on the next one. Bye!